scientists, welcome to another PS Science video. I'm Miss Oyenoki, and I want to recap with you. Last week, we had a mystery. I found this strange object in my backyard, and I was wondering if you amazing scientists might be able to help me figure out what this is. So here's the story so far. I found this pellet in my backyard. We decided to be great scientists, and we used our senses to observe it. We found that it smells a little like wet dog. It's kind of hard. It had chunks of things in it. And then we cut it open. And what did we find? Fur and bones. We determined the bones belong to some kind of rodent. That's the story so far. But, scientists, I have more clues. Exhibit A. Well, I was just holding it. I found more of these. 1, 2, 3 more of these in the last week. Similar shape, slightly different sizes, all in the same spot in my backyard. Clue number 2. I found this bird wing in my yard as well. No sign of the rest of the bird, just the wing. Don't know if a cat got it or if it's related to our mystery, but I thought I'd show you anyway. So I sorted my bones from last week into piles. I've got my skull pile, my jaw pile, my other bubbly bit bone piles. And now I guess it's like a puzzle. I need to put all of these things together. But how? Our bones are held together with ligaments and joints. This rat skeleton is held together with glue and wire. So I don't know if our bones are going to be able to be reconstructed to stand up, but we can at least lay them out the way that they should go. We know the skull goes up the top, but what about the rest of it? I wonder if rodent bones are like our bones. Let's take a look. X-ray time! The average adult human has 206 bones, whereas rodents have 223 bones. In this side-by-side comparison, we can see a human skeleton versus a vole skeleton. Humans and rodents share a lot of the same bones, although ours are much bigger, and some of the shape and orientation are a little bit different, as well as the function. That's their purpose. If you look closely, you can see a lot of the bones that we found in our mysterious pellet. Let's go back and check the food web from last week. The food web shows 7 different species of rodent that the barn owl is known to eat, as well as a type of bird. Other species of owls have also been known to eat bats, rabbits, small dogs and cats, and even fish. But how does the bones and the fur get into the owl to begin with? Owls don't have teeth, so they can't chew their food. They have to either swallow it whole or rip off the pieces and swallow the flesh, and that's how they feed their babies. So they can't digest the fur and bones and pass them in their droppings. The fur and bones are packed into a pellet, which they regurgitate or throw up 12 hours later. Before we can say for sure that the owl is a culprit, let's go back and look at our evidence. You wouldn't send someone to jail without really looking at all the facts, would you? Well, we know that whatever left this mystery object eats rodents and birds. We also know that they left 3 more of these mystery objects every night for the last 3 nights. Considering that rodents and birds are both on the owl food web, and owls are known to spit up the undigested parts of their prey in pellets, I think it's pretty safe to say that an owl has been visiting my yard. I guess being a detective has a lot of science in it too. We used our inferences, like we did with the microfossils and the tar pits matrix fossils, to get information about what might have been leaving this pellet, and we were able to find the culprit. Great sleuthing, scientists! Okay, scientists, thanks for watching. Did you enjoy that lesson? Subscribe below to see more fun science videos. You can also become a member of PS Science on Patreon to support what we're doing. See you next time!